All right, Harrison, what are we doing?
Doing some stuff.
We're doing some stuff?
Yep, I'm just doing some stuff on my phone.
You're doing some stuff on your phone? It should be noted that your phone is primarily for taking pictures, right?
Yep.
Yeah. This lawnmower is having some problems starting, huh? It's had some problems for a while. So we're going to take it into the shop.
We haven't been working it out.
Take a picture of it? That's a good picture. I'd love to be able to have the time to take it apart and try to fix it myself. It's probably faster and easier to try to take it in now and see if somebody can fix it.
Dad, do not move yet to my camera.
You're taking a picture underneath there?
Yep. Okay.
Click, click. You took a picture?
I didn't do it.
Oh, you didn't do it? Remember, Harrison, this is the first push lawnmower.
We have.
Well, not the first one that we had, but the first one that you really used.
3, 2, 1,
go!
You know what that is, Harrison?
Mama!
it's a lawnmower.
Mine!
No, it's for all of us.
For the family.
For all of us.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I got it! Yay!
You want to bring it down?
Yay!
All right, brother and I are going to pull it
Yeah,
out,
you're
okay?
going to stand back over there, okay?
We're going to go over there and get it ready. Off some of this dirt right here, and then we'll take it in the car and drop it off. And we're going to buy some chain at the hardware store.
Yeah, remember for wheels. I can do that.
The chain is for your. Are you going to try to pull it? You have to pull this down. Okay, now you can put your. Yeah, at least it's turning, but it just doesn't turn over. I'm trying. If it was working right, it might actually start, but
yeah, sometimes they don't work. They ain't not working.
let me try it once. I'll show you.
And I'll hold it.
See how it. Okay, let's get it in the car and we will go.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to go inside and check and see what they need. But here's some lawnmowers they have.
Yeah, these are not the same kind at all.
No, are a different brand.
It's all red.
It's, that says do not enter. That's the exit, sir. You have to go in the entrance. There you go. Thank you.
These are white. All these are white, but they're not. This is a different kind of white one.
These are all the same.
Yep.
But then this one's a different type there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can take these both. Remember when I said about that? Remember that Papa lawnmower?
Okay.
Remember that
Great, thank you.
lawnmower doing?
Look at that one, yeah.
Pulled it down, and then I did pull it on, and then it bowed all the way up. And then right here, didn't really blow it down.
Yeah. I think it is like the one that we talk about in our story sometimes.
Yeah.
We tell a story, like a bedtime story about a lawnmower boy and whatnot.
Yeah.
All right, let's go find the chain. We're going to go get some chain first.
I think that
What are you going to take pictures of?
you did.
I'll see. We're getting the chain.
Okay.
Yeah, those are to clean out your gutter. Look at that. We're gonna go put that on at your thing. Hey, look at these pictures you took. Silly.
Yeah, but Dad, it was freaking at me. It was freaking at me.
It was facing you? All right. Driving around back to drop off the lawnmower. Harrison wanted to stay inside to take pictures. So he's inside taking pictures. I think this is where I go, right? Must be. Time to get it out. There it is. I'm going to go back in and get everything closed out. Look at that classic. That's a big car. Cool looking. Old Cadillac.
Look on it, and then you open it up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you put pizza in it.
You put pizza in there?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Down here, you put pizza.
You think that's a really cool looking pizza oven?
Then,
Mm-hmm.
and you can down, you move that to side, then these open. You can look in it, and when it's all done, then you can just open it.
Cool. That's a pretty cool. Yeah. I think it'd make good pizza in there, huh?
Yep. Daddy,
Yeah.
can you take that out? Look, I want to see that.
Yeah. I'll lift you up. So we'll check and see Harrison like maybe next week, he said. That lawnmower hasn't worked in a long time, so. Oh, hey, look at that. That looks familiar. This was how he cut the pin. All right, so we're all done here. Taking a lot of pictures. All right. All right, this chain that we bought today is for this swing here. Look how tall it is, right, Harrison? So that's why we bought this. How about hand me some of that chain here?
Daddy, you guys go. You guys, I'm getting it ready.
Oh, you're getting it ready? Okay. So I think we're just going to loop it through here, add it to there, loop it through here, add it to there, and it should be enough size. All right. Can I have some? One of the two?
Daddy, I gotta go down and put it in my wheelbarrow. You know why?
Why?
Okay, you need a yesterday.
Okay. Whoa. Are you okay? Your shoes are falling off. Here, I'll hold this. You can get up. Fix your shoe. That was a little awkward. Uh-oh, look at this thing. This needs some repair. Oh, I need some help. Ring, ring. I'm working on the chain. I need some help. I need chains. This is broken. 2 chains, please. Oh, no. All right. Oh, great. Fantastic.
Are you needing them for a hammock?
I need them for a swing. You want to come over here?
Okay, I will go be. What do you need?
All right. Do you want this swing to be? Do you want this swing to be higher or lower than this one?
Higher.
Higher. Okay.
Look how high go.
How about this high right here? Let's see. So that's actually just about the same height. You want to try it, or do you want it higher? All right, I think it's working now. Try it. Okay, you like it?
I do.
All right, great. We finished this part. Now, the next time people come on, we're going to be able to look at the lawnmower all fixed. Okay? Whoa, look at you. All right, so we got it back. $158. Hopefully get it home and it'll work just perfectly. Open it up. Whoa, good job. Look at that.
told you I got it open.
Yeah, you can. Here's our lawnmower. All
It's
fixed.
fixed.
All fixed. So we're going to take it out and
I
give
don't
it a
know
shot.
what we'd want with it.
Put in a new air filter, a new spark plug. The spark plug put up in a problem.
Yeah, maybe that's what it would want. Come on, you take it out.
All right, yeah. Okay, so bring it forward. And then over here,
Yeah?
pull that latch up when I tell you. Okay, try it. It needs to be like in right now. Try it.
Like that?
Yep, like that. So now this side is locked. Now go over here.
Yep.
And do the same. That's how you loosen it so that you can fold it down. You're doing it? There you go. Done.
There you go.
Yeah, you locked it. Locked it into place.
Yep.
Now it can be pushed.
Yep. I got it. I'm doing it. I can't turn it.
Let's get it on the grass.
Yeah. No.
Try pulling it. See what happens.
No. Dad, you gotta hold on to something.
Yeah, it's a little hard.
Dad, how would you do it? And I would do this.
All right, ready? Hold that down. Now hold this down. Not hard to push it when you have the propelled, huh? Good job. How'd that go? Easy?
Yep, easy.
All right, we're going to open the side gate.
Oh, when
You go
did
in.
it go? Did it turn off?
Yes.
I did not even know that.
Yeah, when you let go of this,
Yeah.
that's what turns it off.
Whoa. And then when you turn it off, you just do this again?
Yes, while you're holding this down.
Yep, that's cool.
All right?
Okay, Daddy, now you open it.
Is it tiring?
No, it did. I can't turn.
Oh, yeah. It's hard to turn, but you were going forwards just right, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll get it. Let's stick it into the side yard and get some of that cleaned up.
Okay.
Yeah, get it over to the side yard.
All by myself.
You did it all by yourself, huh? That's great. You got it all the way over here. Was it hard?
Yep. It was really hard, and when I was going over that bump right there, that bump,
Uh-huh.
I was doing this. That's what I was doing. I was yakking going, then I was doing that. Did the back. Oh my god, it ow! Did it harder than I thought.
Harder than you thought.
Thought it wouldn't be hard.
You know what's, hey, can I give you a hint?
I did it!
You did it. All right. Sometimes what helps me move it is lift it back a little bit and then turn it like that. Try that. Lift it back.
No, I already done.
You're all set. Okay. Well, we're going to get some of those leaves picked up and stuff. Or not picked up because we don't have the back on it. So pull that back. You can hold that. Ready? 1, 2. There you go. But look, you can see where the mowing went right through here. You see where there's like a little path? Yeah. We'll get the rest of this cleaned up.
Yeah, I know why I was going to turn it off right here.
What?
But then I was going to move that. So there's a big pile right here.
Yep.
Remember when it was a pile there?
Yep, I remember. Moving it around.
Yeah, but then I can do this. Not in the pile.
Oh, you like to spread it out so it's easier to mow?
Yeah.
Ah, I
When
get
go
that.
in there, hey, Nancy, it's a big,
That's a big frisbee.
big one. It's really big.
It is.
Look, it turned into green and purple, and turned into white and...
You want me to... Here, let's take it... Wait. Let's take it in the other part of the yard. That way there's more space for it over there.
The hair didn't windy.
All right, now, yeah.
Why does it go up to my face?
Can I try it?
I'm fine.
All right, ready? Watch this. 1, 2. Well, that didn't do anything.
Yeah.
All right, well, the lawnmower is working. We're going to go work on it a little bit more, but we were able to go get it fixed. We fixed your swing.
I dumped all over your body right here.
And as we're finishing up today, we want to give a shout out to JJ and George for watching. Thank you. And also to Colby for watching. Thanks for watching our channel.
Be alive.